Hello everyone, welcome to all in today's English class. Today we are going to read a lesson on English grammar. Okay? And the topic is about voice change. That means here we are going to know how to turn an active voice into a passive voice. Did you get it? Well, before knowing about the rules, let us know what is voice. Voice is the main action of the verb which becomes active or passive depending on whether the action is done by someone or the action is said to have been done. Okay? Let me tell you in our mother tongue. आम ओडिया भाषा रे जेपरी कर्तृवाच्य और कर्मवाच्य अछि इंग्राजी रे सेहीपरी एक्टिव वॉइस और पैसिव वॉइस अछि। इंग्राजी वाच्य परिवर्तन ओडिया वाच्य परिवर्तन परी केतेक नियम अनुसरण करे। Let us know in detail. If the subject does some action, the sentence is in active voice. Example, I eat rice. That means ମୁଁ ଭାତ ଖାଏ। Passive voice. If the subject suffers from the cause of the action or is said to have been acted upon, the sentence is said to be in passive voice. Example, rice is eaten by me. Could you get it? Here, look at the active voice sentence again. I eat rice. Here, I is the subject, eat is the verb and rice is the object. Okay, the sentence is in simple present tense form. Okay, so when we are turning the sentence into passive voice, the object of the sentence becomes the subject and the subject comes to the place of the object. Okay, that means by plus subject will be used and the verb, whichever verb may be used, the third form of the verb is used. Okay, so here the rule is object plus is, am or are plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay, in this way it changes. Now you got it? In this sentence, I eat rice. I is the subject. But when we turned the sentence into passive voice, I became me. Why? Because me is the objective form of the subject. एठी subject रो objective form use हेबो. I becomes me, we becomes us, you remains you and they became them. In this way it will be changed. Okay, and now you see the example number 2. They sell vegetables. The passive form will be vegetables are sold by them. From these two examples we learnt the rules of passive voice structure if the sentence is in simple present tense. So what is the structure? The structure will be object plus is, am or are plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Is it clear? Okay, let's move to the next one. If the sentence is in simple past tense form, the structure will be object plus was or were plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay, and the examples are I ate rice. Rice was eaten by me. Rice was eaten by me. The sentence is in passive voice form. Okay. Example number 2. They sold vegetables. Passive form will be vegetables were sold by them. Did you get it? Next. If the sentence is in present progressive tense form, the structure is object plus is or am or are plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. So let's take an example. I am eating rice. The sentence is in active voice. What will be its passive form? Rice is being eaten by me. Example number 2. They are selling vegetables. Passive voice form will be vegetables are being sold by them. In this way, we can turn a sentence in present progressive tense form into a passive voice form. Next, if the sentence is in past progressive tense form, the structure is the passive voice structure: object plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Example, I was eating rice, and the passive voice form will be rice was being eaten by me. Example number 2, they were selling vegetables. Passive voice, vegetables were being sold by them. Is it clear? Next, if the sentence is in present perfect tense form, the structure will be object plus has or have plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay, let us see the example. I have eaten rice, and the passive voice is rice has been eaten by me. Okay, in this way we can turn into passive voice. Now let us see, if the sentence is in past perfect tense form, the structure is object plus had been plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Example, I had eaten rice, and passive voice is rice had been eaten by me. Now could you get it? In this way we can turn a sentence in active voice into a passive voice form. Okay, I hope you all could understand from today's lesson. So this is all for today. Finally, I would like to suggest you all to study the notes and the examples which I sent to you in the last class. Okay, thanks to all. Take care. Have a nice day. Vande Mataram.